Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. I know my people, you are enjoying yourself even when the time is so hard. My people are still happy. This time some people might be mourning and losing money. Some people might be thinking of how to grow themselves and learn new things. Some people might be partying, some people might be sleeping. Some people might be doing one thing or the other. But because you don't come for this channel, this is the right place for you. If you want to learn how to grow your business, if you want to start a construction company, if you want to start a DIY business, if you want to start a maintenance company, we'll be talking that will help you get to where you want to be this year, 2020. We've been discussing of how to work safely, how to start using machines, how to use materials, how you can do many things on the construction side. But today we'll be talking of how you protect your eyes while you are working. But before we go further, if today is our first time on this channel and you don't want to miss our future videos, click the subscribe button. Your eye is a very important equipment to you, because without your eye you won't be in a construction or work or do anything freely without somebody guiding you. And eye accident is something that happens in seconds and it lasts forever or lasts throughout your life. You don't want to risk your life or risk your eyes with your work. That squeezy face don't do, Jared. No be vex, I dey vex. I just dey try to protect my people. I just dey try to do my job, because tomorrow they go say I no talk am. But I don't talk am now. Talk am for English. They talk am for pidgin. If you want, make I talk am for another language where it's a bit. But today I dey talk am again. Say make you dey wear your glass, because that glass na very important thing, you know. Me, I no go there say you happen and you can't lose your eye, and when you don't lose your eye, that money where you dey work for, the money where you dey chase, you no go enjoy am again. Your family no go happy, you no go happy, money go there. See, make you protect your eye. You know how painful it is when you dey waka for road, something go fly. If one fly or one dust or one stone or one tree leaf, something go just enter your, even when you dey shower, soap go enter your eye. You know how painful it dey. You no wan take that risk. Abeg, wetin we wan talk now na different kind of glasses. Say many things wey you wan take protect your face or protect your eye. This one for construction, na im I mean. E get other things wey we go talk later, but this one wey we go talk now na the most important thing, only for your eye. No be for face, so no be mask. Wetin we want na just to protect your eye. This one so na different manufacturers, but na commonly used eyeglasses wey dey sell anywhere in the world. But remember, this one no be fancy glass. People go dey see am say na fancy glass. This one so as e crack, no be like that Chinese beautiful glasses wey we get everywhere for Africa, for Nigeria. No, they no be am. This one as you see am so na plastic glass. You go dey see am as plastic, but na something wey go protect you. If something come with speed come hit am, e go get better speed, say e hit am pass come enter your eye. If e be glass, say if e hit you, e go enter your eye. That glass, if you crack, it go scatter, come enter your eye. But this one, if you crack, it go there together. It go there like cow windscreen. You know, go scatter everywhere. Not something where you want wear. I beg my brothers, my sister, this is why they talk. Now announcement that they make. Be like say now somebody send me, but no be somebody send me. Now with experience, I they tell you, say make you no come die. Say you dey chase money and you can't lose your eye. This one. Na just common glasses, and this one na common as e be say e go fit to every head, every size of face. Like we now we get big face, see as this thing big reach, as my face big reach, this one still expand reach like this. And if you put am, na so e go beautify your face, come make you handsome man. I know say I no fine, but still if I put glass, the glass go make me beautiful. Anytime where you dey go for construction site, e no be only construction, where you dey waka, where they build something, metal, where they grind something, where they cut stone, where they pour chemical, anything, abeg, make una try to dey cover una eye. This one na the common ones. Another one where you go see na the same common glass, but this one dey cover more eye. E say if you be person wey get big eye or person wey get small face, why I dey talk this one be say this one no fit my face because e too tight. I no go dey comfortable, na so I go dey do my eye like this. You see am? So this one na the same thing, but na big people wey dey greedy to cover their eye. This one, see, this one na people wey dey work where they do smoke or chemical. You wan cover this place make chemical or smoke no enter. To get something wey don top here where air go dey flow dey enter. You no wan make the smoke dey enter your eye straight. So even the smoke no enter, or something whether they grind or chemical whether they pour, you can't splash come to your eye. I beg, you no want take that risk. If there where you dey work, you see say that they do chemical or they do smoke stuff, whether they grind metal, I beg try to put this kind one. This one is adjustable. It's something where you can adjust. If you want, you go make them big. If you want, you go make them small. The final one na this one. If you be person when they wear glasses, say you know they see far, or you know they see something where they closer. This one na persons where they put them all the time. If you no fit come out and say you no fit walk without your glasses, there is no way you cannot get something where go still cover your face. Your glasses go there like this one. So as you don't wear your glasses, you go still put this one. Cover am. You know, see I'm saying they help me, I see they see, and no problem. You fit put this one on top of them also. This one is also meant for people where they wear glasses. If you put them, you go put them on top of your glass. So your glass go there inside this one. You go see they're comfortable. I know sure say you go work with this one. If you work for some people, I never know, I never use them. Wetin all these things mean be say now for you to wear your glasses wherever is important to wear. Even though you no see the sign, person where they do construction na mature person, you go know say you go cover your eye, you go protect yourself, you go protect everything. Now be the only thing we get for this time. If to say you get any problem or something where you want make we discuss or talk or meeting, you know, or understand for wetin we don't talk so or we don't talk before, put them for the comment. We go always come back to you. And if you want say this video go further, beg help share them. If today be your first time for this channel and you never subscribe, this is the best time for you to subscribe. I beg, hit the subscribe button, and when you hit them, you go see one bell will go pop up. Those three bells, the one way down top. I know say Niger people, on the people where they like go first. I beg, click the first button on top. We go come back to you. Thank you for watching.